Before the world wakes, before the sun stretches across the horizon, something ancient begins to move. Across continents, through oceans, over skies. Millions of animals rise, run, swim, and fly, driven by something deeper than instinct, something written into their very being. No maps, no roads, no guarantees, just a journey of survival, a journey of life and death. From the endless plains of Serengeti to the icy waters of the Arctic, to skies filled with wings that travel thousands of miles. This is not just movement. This is migration. One of the greatest spectacles on Earth. And today, we follow the travelers. In East Africa, a living river flows across the land. Over 1.5 million wildebeest, joined by zebras and gazelles, move in a massive circle between the Serengeti and the Masai Mara. They follow the green. They sweep through the fresh grass. But what they find is danger. As they move along, lions wait in the tall grass, hyenas lurk in the shadows, and then there's the river. The Mara River crossing. Steep banks, strong currents, and beneath the surface, crocodiles. The herd hesitates, then suddenly, one jumps. And chaos erupts. Bodies collide. Water explodes. Survival takes over. Some make it. Some don't, but the herd moves on. Because stopping means death. And then, despite the risk involved, the migration continues. As more wildebeest and other animals continue to travel up to 5,000 miles every year. From the scarcity of grasslands to the warm breeding waters near the equator. They move with grace, but their journey is long and demanding. Mothers side by side their young across vast oceans, guiding them away from predators. Every breath matters. Every mile counts. And yet, they keep going, guided by memory, by instinct. By something we still don't fully understand. And then above us, a different kind of traveler. Birds. Some of the smallest creatures on Earth, making some of the longest journeys. The Arctic tern, tiny, fragile, travels from the Arctic to Antarctica and back again every year. That's over 40,000 miles. Across storms, across oceans, across continents. How? They read the stars. They sense the Earth's magnetic field. They fly, and they don't stop. Because somewhere far away is home. Then there's a journey so delicate, it almost feels impossible. The migration of the monarch butterfly, thousands of miles, on wings as light as paper. Generation after generation, they move toward the same forests, even though no single butterfly completes the entire journey. They are born to continue a path they've never seen. A legacy written in instinct. A reminder that migration isn't just about survival. It's about continuity. Across Africa and Asia, elephants move with quiet determination. They travel vast distances in search of water. Led by the oldest female, the matriarch, she remembers where to go, when to move, how to survive. Without her, the herd is lost. Their journey is slower, but no less powerful. Each step carries history. Each path carries memory. Across land, sea, and sky, migration connects life on Earth. It's a rhythm, a cycle, a story older than humanity itself. A reminder that survival often requires movement, courage, and trust in something unseen. Because these animals don't know what lies ahead. They just move. And maybe there's something in that for us too. To keep going, to trust the journey, to move, even when the path is uncertain. Because sometimes the journey itself is what keeps life alive. Thank you for watching.